All right, so let's continue with this problem. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 7. So I'm going to do the sine of 67.5 times 7. And that's going to give me that A is approximately equal to 6.47. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other one. I'm going to multiply by 7. So a 7 times a cosine of 67.5. And I wind up with x is approximately equal to 2.68. So then I need to multiply that side, or that x by 2 to get me a side length. So 2.68 times 2 gives me that a side length is 5.36. Now I have enough information to find the area. All right, so I'm going to do 1/2. That area equals 1/2 my apothem, 6.47, times my perimeter. There's 8 sides and they're 5.36 each. So 8 times a 5.36 is a 42.88. All right, so now from here, I just multiply all 3 together to get approximately a 138.72 millimeters squared. Moving on. So here I have a hexagon again, and so you can recall from a previous example that in a hexagon I have 120-degree angles. So that means the radius cuts it into a 60-degree angle here, and my apothem would be here, and a 30-degree angle would be here. Now the apothem cuts the side length in half, so this would be 11. So I have the side across from my 30-degree angle. To get to my apothem, which is the side across from my 60-degree angle, I multiply that 11 by √3. So that's my apothem. All right, so now I have enough information to find my area. I have a 1/2 times my apothem, which I'm just going to leave as an 11 √3. I'm going to keep my area in exact format on this one, times my perimeter. A 22 times a 6 gives me a 132. So then I do the 132 times the 11 divided by 2 to get a 726, and then I just tack on that √3 yards squared. All right, and now on to our final problem, which I do have 8 sides. So again, in an 8-sided figure, your angle, or your radius, bisects your angle, and this becomes a 67.5-degree angle here. So this is not a special right triangle. I'm going to find my apothem, and my apothem bisects the sides. So since the sides are 14, that side on the right triangle is 7. Now, in relation to the 67.5-degree angle, I'm trying to find my apothem, which is the opposite, and I have my adjacent, which is 7. So opposite over adjacent is tangent. So I'm going to do the tangent of my 67.5-degree angle, and that should be equal to A over 7. Multiplying by 7 on both sides, I would wind up with A is approximately equal to 16.90. So now I have enough information to find my area. It's going to be rounded. 1/2 times my apothem times my perimeter, which is 14 times 8, or 112. So a 112 times a 16.9 times a 1/2, or divided by 2, is approximately equal to 946.4 meters squared. All right, so that brings us to the end of the lesson. So just a reminder that if you are working with special right triangles, I do want your answer in simplest radical form. If you are not working with special right triangles, then you're going to round your answer.